back to my channel. This is a question. Define greatest integer function of flow function n to be greatest integer function less than or equal to n. Compute the area of the solution set of floor x a multiplies floor y equals to 2000. So what we'll do, we'll write that floor x into floor y equals to 2000. Let's find the multiples or factors of 2000. So 2000 can be written as 2 4 times multiplies 5 3 times. That means if we can imagine that n into n equals to 2000, here we are getting n equals to p to the power a, and n equals to q to the power b. Then divisor count rule says n, which is equals to n into n. If it is can be written as p power a and q power b, then the number of positive divisor n is a plus 1 into b plus 1. So here number of divisor 4 plus 3 because a is 4 here and b is 3. This is a, this is b. 3 plus 1, that will be 5 into 4, that will be 20. So 20 positive pairs will be there. Similarly, 20 negative pairs will be there. So total area is 20 into 2, yeah, 20 plus 2, that will be 40 square units. Thank you for watching. Please keep on watching.